How to enable Active Directory in Windows 10. Active Directory does not come with Windows 10 by default, so you will have to download it from Microsoft. Site link in video description. Click Download. Click the empty box next to file name. Click Next. Click OK. Download all 4 files to your computer. Open your Downloads folder. Install all 4 files. Open the control panel. Click Programs. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Click plus Next to Remote Server Administration Tools. Click the plus next to Role Administration Tools. Check the box next to Add DS Tools. Click Restart now. When the computer comes back up, Active Directory tools will be accessible through the Windows Administrative Tools in the Start menu. Thanks for watching.